In this video, we show how to edit and manage plans. First, we click on Projects. Next, we select Plans. Then, we click on New Plans. After that, we go to the Plans tab. Here we see several options. Let's look at them together. We have the List View and the Preview option. To use these, we expand the folder where the plan is stored. This is the List View. When we click Preview, we see the pages as thumbnails. Now we can slide to show 2 or 4 thumbnails at once. We also have a search option to find specific words. For example, if we work on a flooring project and want to find all files about floors, we search for floor. This shows how many times the word appears in the document. If we click on this view, we can look at each result one by one. We also have the All Plans and Activity sections. In All Plans, we see every plan in this folder. If we want to find pages with takeoffs, we click on Activity. This filters the pages. If we want to open a page, we click on it, and the page opens side by side. At the top right, there are options to delete, copy, download, and move. For example, if we want to copy a page, we select the page, click on Copy, choose the folder, and click Copy. After we do this, the page copies automatically. Now, the page is copied. If we want to delete a page, we click on the page and then click Delete. Click on Show. Now this page is deleted. If we want to download a page, we click on the pages to download, then click Download. Click on the page and choose Done. The download starts, and when it is finished, we get a notification. For the Move folder option, let's see how to create a folder and move something to it. For example, in the Estimation project, inside the Plans tab, we create one more folder called Binder. We create it, and once we click View Plans, we see the Binder folder. We select the plans, then we move to Binder and Move. Once we click on it, the plans will be moved to Binder. These are the editing options in the Plans tab. If we want to close any pages, we can click on it and close it. If we want to go to the cover, we just click on it. We can click to select multiple pages, or we can click on Select All to select all the pages. Apart from this, we have page navigation options. So let's look at how to navigate through pages. We can click on these tabs at the top to move through pages, or use the down arrow. We can click Next Plan or Previous Plan. We can also enter the name here, or we can click on the page to open the plan. We have the option to rename it. For example, we click on this one. We have C1. We can use it as the cover page, and the pages will be renamed. In this way, we have many options in the Plans folder. Now we will do takeoffs and estimation next.